If you're watching this and you're broke, stuck in a job you hate, or constantly anxious about money, let me tell you something hard to hear. It's not your fault. But staying that way, that will be. You've been lied to. They told you to get a degree, work 40 hours a week, save a little, and someday you'll be free. But look around. People are working harder than ever. They're more educated than ever, and they're still broke. Do you want to know why? Because hard work alone doesn't make you rich. Financial knowledge does. In this video, I'm not going to sell you a dream. I'm going to give you the truth. The cold, hard, uncomfortable truth about how money works, how real financial growth happens, and how you can go from struggling to stacking. No fluff. No fake motivation. Just a blueprint. But let me warn you, if you're looking for easy, this ain't it. This is for people who are ready to break out of the cycle. Let's get something straight. Being broke isn't just about money. It's about mindset. It's about the system you were born into. See, poor people are taught to survive. Rich people are taught to multiply. What were you taught? Save money while inflation kills it. Don't talk about money so you never learn it. Go to school. Get a job so someone else profits off your time. The truth is, you are not poor because you don't work hard. You're poor because you were trained to work hard for money, not trained to make money work for you. Show visuals, people working multiple jobs, comparing bills, looking tough. This isn't your parents' economy. Inflation is rising. College is overpriced. Housing is unaffordable. So why are we still playing by 1990's rules? You don't need to wait 40 years to retire. You don't need to suffer for decades to live free. What you need is a new strategy, a new game plan. Introduce the formula, income x leverage x time equals wealth. Break it down. Income, not salary, value creation. Leverage, using tech, capital, systems. Time, compounding. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. You? Maybe 1. Let's fix that. You need to build what I call an income engine, a system that creates money in multiple ways, some active, some passive. 3 levels of income: active income, job, freelance work. Semi-passive side hustles, affiliate, content creation. Passive investments, dividends, digital products, rentals. Show breakdown examples. YouTube channel earning $500 month, rental property bringing $100 month, freelance gig turning into a $3K month business. The goal? Replace your active income with scalable income. The real path to financial growth starts with one thing, a skill that pays. Here are 5 high-income skills you can learn in 3-6 months. 1. Copywriting, writing that sells. Businesses need this every day. 2. Sales, if you can close, you'll never be broke. 3. Digital marketing, ads, SEO, funnels. Demand is endless. 4. Coding or tech, build tools, apps, automation. 5. Content creation, TikTok, YouTube, podcasting equals monetization. Pick one. Go all in. Stop dabbling. Mastery pays. Your mindset around money determines your outcome with money. You don't need to be a genius to get rich. You need to think long-term. Delay gratification. Avoid lifestyle creep. Respect money like a partner, not a problem. 3 habits that make you wealthy. Track every dollar. Automate investing. Live below your means until you earn above them. Example of someone earning $100,000 but living like they make $40,000. That's investing is not gambling. It's not optional. It's the engine of financial growth. Simple plan for beginners. Emergency fund, 3-6 months of expenses. SIPs or index funds, long-term, low risk. Real estate optional. Start with house hacking. Invest in yourself, books, mentors, courses. Compounding example, invest $10,000 a month for 10 years at 12% equals 23 lakh plus for 20 years equals 1 crore plus. Time-lapse. Here's what you're going to do after watching this video. 1. Pick a skill and master it. Month 1-3. 2. Start freelancing or content-based income. Month 3-6. 3. Eliminate debt. Build emergency fund. Month 6-4. Start investing. Month 8-9-5. Scale your side hustle. Month 9-12-6. Automate everything. Reinvest in growth. By the end of 1 year, you'll have a second income stream. Investments growing in the background. A skill that no one can take from you. And momentum most people never get in 10 years.
No one is coming to save you. But that's not a bad thing. Because you don't need saving, you need strategy. Financial freedom is not a fantasy. It's a formula. And now, you have it. The next move is yours. If this video opened your eyes, share it with one person who's ready to grow. Comment "I'm ready" below. And if you want part 2, where we dive into scaling income, hit subscribe. You've spent your whole life surviving. Now it's time to start thriving.